Double D windstorm, DLD, Kristen Boyd at a show walk. Show me your show walk. Cherry Acres, class 92, gated pleasure. Show gate, ride the glide. Show me more, you two. There you go, show me more. You got this. Woo, yes, good boy. Come on, Norman. Come on, Norman, keep going. Keep going, you two. Keep going, you two. Outside foot kick. Keep him going. Come on, Normie. Hop. Down the straightaway, too. Keep going. Show walk and reverse. Now you can reverse through the middle however you want to reverse, okay? Just don't run over me. Hard right. On the rail at a show walk. Show me your show walk, please. Woo, big horsies, big horsies. Show gate, please. Show me your gate. Ride the glide, Stormy. Hop. There, better. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, don't worry about it. Keep going, kick. Go, go, go. Hop. Get after him now. Hop. Yeah, I'll take it. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. And halt. Back 5.